Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While starting this component, I will start with the base plate, this plate. Then I will build this vertical plate. Then I will model this one. After creating this, I will do the rib. Then I will remove these two material removal features. So this is the component after modeling. It will look like. So as I explained, I will start with the base plate, then I will build this vertical plate, then I will build this model, then I will build this rib, then I will do this two material removal features. Now we'll model in Creo Parametric. Just close it, new, solid part, untick this use default template, say OK. Part solid absolute, say OK. For easy creation of model, I'm just keeping this file in the left side. Yes. First we'll start with the base one, top plane, sketch view. First I will create this plate of 75 mm length. Simply we can create a rectangle. We can make symmetry also. Symmetric. The rectangle length is 75 and the width is 60. This one is 75 and this one is 60. Go to fit screen. Then we'll add this 30 mm radius file. Circle radius. This is, you delete it. Now we have created this model. It is not symmetric as you look. Anyway, just say OK. Sketch. Symmetric. The thickness is 15 mm. Now we have created this base plate. Then we will build this vertical plate. Select the surface. Sketch view. The vertical plate height is 65 from this top. Rectangle. This height is just 65, remaining are fixed. Now just say OK. Extrude. It has to be extruded inside the model. Thickness is 15 mm. Say OK. Now I have created this vertical plate. Then I will create this one. First I will create only the solid cylinder. So here you can see the 50 mm from the inside surface. So I'm just taking the inside surface. Sketch view, reference, these two edges are reference, then close it, then take a circle, this one is the center, the diameter is same 60 only, take a line, close this line, remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segment. Say OK, extrude, change the direction, add material, the extrusion length is 50. Say OK. Now we have created all material addition features. The one more material addition feature is rib. For that we have to create a mid plane. We don't have a plane, then we have to move this plane, select this plane, change the direction. Total length is 60. It has to be kept in 30. Say OK. Now select this plane, sketch view. Change the orientation to bottom to left and right. Yes. Here we have to create the rib, sketch, reference, just close it. Now take a line, just simply connect these 2 points. Just say OK, go to rib, profile rib. Now thickness of this rib is 10 mm, just 10, say OK. All the material addition features are done. Now we'll go for a material removal features. First we'll remove this circle, select the surface, sketch, sketch view, take a reference of this cylinder, just close, take a circle. Now the circle diameter is, here they have specified 30. The remaining, these are not required. Just close this line and go for delete segment. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Similarly, here we have to remove the cut like this. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view, take a reference of this midline, then this circle also, then close it, take a circle. This one, the circle center and this circle center are same. Then create a circle, the diameter is 20. Then take a line here, similarly here. Then take a arc with center. The center point is this, then connect with these 2 points. Then remove these unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Delete here and here. Now it's OK, say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now the complete model is done. Just add it here. So this is the model they have given. Now the model is completed. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.